Hey guys, get ready with me. This natural makeup look. I don't know, is it giving clean girl? Anyway, welcome to Life with Zara, and thank you so much for joining me for my series called RIP to my 20s, as it is my last couple of weeks of being in my 20s, well, being 29, alhamdulillah. So this is basically the makeup look, and I'm gonna get into it right now. Don't you ever forget to subscribe, because the more people subscribe, the more videos I can post. Let's get into this. Okay, so since I have already cleaned my face and I've put on my face cream, it feels so nice. Put on some moisturizer, some tissue oil. Just prepping my face, you guys. Okay, so tip number one. So when you have a baby, you are consistently in the house, right? Some people prefer to be 6 months in the house. And the new moms like myself, even though it's the third way around, we tend to do things differently. I had my first surgery, but I was the first week walking in a mall and I totally forgot about it because of my healing that was so smooth, alhamdulillah. I was in the mall, and until it felt like my belly wants to burst, I was like, oh shit, I need to take it smooth. But get out of the house. Even if you have to stand in your backyard for some sunlight, it will do you really good, because being inside in the four walls every single day, mentally, that's not good for you. Get yourself some fresh air, and if it is summer or autumn, just try to get some sunlight. Honestly, it will be a big I'm going to put sunblock on my lips. I love my lips so much. Okay, so the second step would be to find someone you can talk to. Whatever is on your mind, anything that is bothering you, do not keep it in. Do not keep it to yourself. It is very healthy to speak to someone. It will do you so good. It will feel so relieving. Now I'm going to make my eyeliner. I haven't done this in a very long time. So I'm going to take the darkest brown and just make a line. Can blend it out easier. Love this. Haven't done this in a while. The third thing that I would advise is less screen time. I cannot stress this enough, that screen time, whatever you take in, will come out. A lot of us content creators, our job is to create content and to inspire and to influence. So what you see is not always 100%, and not a lot of people's gonna tell you, but I am going to tell you. So the less screen time, the better, so that you can just be present and you can appreciate your life. You can appreciate your real life, your human life, the fact that you gave birth. You can just take it all in without seeing these moms 7 days postpartum and they're doing this and they're doing that, because everybody's healing journey is different. No matter if yours is more tough or it's more faster, it's just different. But the best thing that you can do for yourself is just embrace it, and what's going to help with that is less screen time, so you won't be influenced by anything negative that can contribute to your mood, can contribute to depression, that can contribute to you just not feeling good about your whole journey. Okay, so less screen time. I'm just gonna put a shimmer blush on my cheek, just for a little shine, but with a dash of pink. Nothing too hectic. Okay, so I think we're by number 4. I'm literally thinking about this as I'm going along, because it's just something that I deal with on a daily, so didn't think to write it down. Get yourself a routine. Even if you don't feel good, you're waking up and you're yo, I don't have lists, just get it over with so that you can go lay with baby again. It's as easy as that. Yo, I'm tired, the house is dirty. Do what you set out to do the night before. Already, you need to know what you're going to do the next day, the night before. That's how a routine works. So when you wake up, jump straight into it. Do what you have to do, right? My routine was basically just making my kids feel like I'm still there. So like watching them go to school. Like I didn't get them dressed or anything, but I would be there to make sure, watch them brush their teeth, watch like them. I could at least make them cereal, and my mom was here. My mom helps a lot, and I would just watch them. Now that I think of it, like I didn't do much, but that was part of my routine, to just get up and make my kids feel that mom is here. Like that's very important to me. That's, if it's not a priority to you, it's okay. But to me, to make sure my other kids don't feel a certain way because they have a little brother now, I did make it clear to them, jumping off topic, but I did make it clear to them that for the first month, they should give me space. They should understand, mommy just want to settle in with baby, then mommy will be back to normal with them again. Sure, that was hard though. But I would get up and watch, like, okay, you're done eating now. Then when they're eating, I would sit on the couch and I would watch them. How did you sleep? Make small conversation. Okay, you're gonna go brush your teeth now. Okay, you got everything for school. Okay, I love you. Have a great day. Back to bed. Maybe put in a laundry of baby. Back to bed. You need to rest. Whether you're C-section mom, whether you're natural birth. I'm gonna do a dash of red today. Just to keep it a little natural, just a dash, just a I'm not thinking, can I say it on here? But like, don't neglect your partner. Like, I know I might get a lot of hate for this, but don't. I feel everybody's journey is different. But the sooner you get back into having fun with your partner, the sooner you get in action and have fun, like take it easy. You know what married people do? Just do it. Like, don't neglect that side, because the moment you have that pizzazz, that ooze of sex appeal, you start feeling good, and it's really, really healthy. So yeah, those are my 5 tips that I have today. Thank you so much for getting ready with me. You guys, I almost gave up because life is a movie and it's exhausting out here, but I'm not gonna give up. Thank you so much for watching my series so far. I think it will start flowing once I put up my 7th video. But yeah, thank you so much for coming to Rest in Peace to my 20s.